Hey guys, Dr. Jason, chiropractor here at Limitless Chiropractic. Today I'm going to draw a diagram for you guys. It's one of my favorites to draw and explain to patients. It's critical to really understanding health and wellness. It's probably the most overlooked poster in our office, but maintenance is required in everything that we do in life, and the body is no exception. So I want you guys to imagine that this line right here represents optimal health and wellness, okay? Really the body feeling, working, and functioning great, okay? Now, in life, a lot of things take a toll on the body, right? Things that we eat, sitting, traveling, bending, lifting, twisting the wrong way, having kids, automobile accidents, all of these things, right, when we're not doing any prevention, bring us down here into what we call the pain zone. Not good, right? So my job as a chiropractor is to go in and determine what vertebrae are irritating what nerves, then go in, boom, 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 perform the adjustment so that things get better, and get you back to optimal health and wellness, okay? So this time frame right here is typically about 90 days. Why 90 days? It's a good question. Just about everything in the body takes about 90 days to heal, no matter what it is, right? Ankle injuries, I've had my fair share back in the day. It takes 90 days to really be able to perform at the level you're used to, if not longer. Shoulder injuries, if they're serious, they're taking 6, 12, even 18 months. Those are brutal, right? Knee injuries, a year, you're missing easy. Even stitches, it's gonna take about 90 days for those to heal. So when we're talking about the spine, ligament, muscle, bone, tendon, and nerve, 90 days is true for most adults, okay? So during that time period, we're gonna start performing the adjustments on the spine, on the affected vertebrae, okay? It's gonna take the stress off the nerve, okay? Gonna take the pressure off that nerve, stimulate the nerve to heal, right? Which will improve the circulation, the flexibility, and the mobility, okay? Which is then gonna arrest any arthritis or degeneration that has started to occur in the spine, okay? So all of those incredible things start to happen when we start to perform the adjustments on the spine, okay? So everything in life, if you wanna make a change, okay, it's gonna take time and repetition. No matter what you're talking about, no matter what you're doing, if you wanna make a change, it takes time and repetition, okay? So when we get to the end of this time frame, of course, we'll make a recommendation for what to do to keep it good and even get it a little bit better, all right? So another scenario that I want to talk about, right, is an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure, right? So it would be much better to fix things right now, right, before things get bad, right? I have people tell me all the time, well, why do I need to get adjusted if I'm not in pain? Well, you're not there yet. That's the perfect time, right now. That way you can get things better, back towards optimal health before you get down here and it becomes difficult for everybody, right? So probably my biggest pet peeve in practice is you do all this work, you get people feeling better, and then they say, all right, doc, I'll call you when I need you. And life, of course, is gonna take them back down here because they're not preventing it from getting any worse. And they come back in, a couple adjustments, and they're feeling a little bit better, and then they leave. And they go through this vicious cycle and ask, 6 months down the road why they're not getting any better, and it's really easy, So one of the reasons and one of my passions is we see so many kids in the office is because this process starts early on, really at birth. When you're walking, learning to walk, falling down, hitting your head, all these different kind of things, that starts here. So how smart would it be to start getting adjusted right there and prevent all of this from ever happening? I'd love to be able to do that for my kids. That's awesome. That's why we do it. That's why it's such a burning passion for me. So love this diagram, guys. If you guys have any questions, please reach out to us. We'd love to hear from you. We'll see you next week.